Welcome to Honorary Indians. I am Vidhi and this is my channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe it and press that bell icon to receive any future updates about my new uploads. Also please like, share and comment down this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will share both the links down in description box. And let's get started with the video. Seeing the severity of COVID-19, Indian government placed a lockdown initially for 21 days on 25th March 2020 all over India, which is still in place to control and to keep track on the pandemic. This resulted in life of Indians on hold and people became anxious, and why wouldn't they? In this day and age, people like to go out, do adventures and meet people, and that was kept on hold for a while all at once. To boost the morale and entertain citizens, DD National or Doordarshan, which is the oldest television channel of India, brought back its 33-year-old mythological show Ramanand Sagar Ramayan. The show was first aired on Doordarshan in 1987. And now the serial is making news again as a tweet by Doordarshan came out stating, rebroadcast of Ramayana on Doordarshan smashes viewership records worldwide. The show becomes most watched entertainment shows in the world with 7.7 crore viewers on 16th of April. The show is aired on DD National twice a day. The first episode of the rerun was aired on March 28, 2020 on Doordarshan, and just in a few days it made Doordarshan the most viewed channel of India. It has repeated its history again as back in its initial telecast, it broke all the records of popularity as well. Ramayan was written, directed and produced by Ramanand Sagar. He had made a total of 78 episodes on this serial based on the ancient Hindu epic Valmiki's Ramayan and Tulsidas Ramcharitmanas. It was a Sunday morning staple back in the 80s and the major source of memes nowadays. Just had to include them. Have you seen? It's epic. I will just include few of the brilliant and amazing memes right after this video. So please stay and please watch till the end. The show starred Arun Govil as Ram, Deepika Chikliya Topiwala as Sita, Sunil Lahiri as Lakshman, and icons like Lalita Pawar as Manthara, Arvind Trivedi as Ravan, Dara Singh as Hanuman. By the way guys, my mother told me once that Dara Singh stopped a moving train by his bare hands. So please tell me if it's true or not, or my mother just tricked a 5-year-old child of hers to eat her vegetable and drink her milk. When the serial had initially started airing in the country, people used to flock to their TV sets, which were much sparser at that time since there were fewer TVs. Many would watch as a communities, with there being moving accounts of people reaching out to the events on the show as though they believed what was playing out before them was a real Ramayan rather than a TV serial. As the lives between the reality, fiction, make-believe and mythological blurred and devotion peaked. I have heard the story from both my parents that their houses would be packed with people at the time, and people actually used to bring incense, flowers to devote their time and pray before the serial started, as they believed that they were going to see real gods at their TV screens. Well, going back to the serial Ramayana, it was originally broadcasted from January 25th, 1987 to July 31st, 1988. Later it was aired on TV every Sunday at 9:30 am till June 2003. So it is not the first time it is re-airing on the channel. It remained recorded in Limca Book of Records as the most watched mythological serial in the world. Award for Ramayana trends on social media after Arun Govil expresses his disappointment that he had never been honored for his role in the show. A user asked him on Twitter that even after his immense contribution on television, especially with Ramayan, why did he never received an award for it? To this, Govil replied, be it the central government or the state government, no one had ever honored till date. I am from Uttar Pradesh, but they have never rewarded me. Moreover, I have been in Mumbai for last 50 years and even the Maharashtra government hasn't recognized me for the work as Ram until now. Coming back to the show, the director Ramanand Sagar not only written, directed and produced this show, he also showed a little acting himself. In the last episode of Uttaramayana, we can see Ramanand Sagar playing the role of a god praising Lord Vishnu as Rama. It was such a soothing view and it was epic. So, just here for you. Roll the clip. So, this is all about the epic show which has been making records and history from the first time it aired. And my next video will be all about this epic mythology depicting life of Lord Rama from the perspective of Valmiki's Ramayana and Tulsidasa's Ramcharitmanas. So stay tuned for my next video, and as promised I am sharing some epic, brilliant and amazing memes from Ramayana right about now. Thank you for watching.